Hello friends, I am Monica and this is my channel Explorer Couple in Europe. So in this video, I'm going to explain you what is the fastest way to get PR in Europe. Yes, you heard me correct. So this video is all about how to get PR in less than 2 years. So this is the fastest way until now in Europe where you can get the PR permanent residency in less than 2 years. So stay tuned with me. So this is called EU Blue Card Visa. So you must be wondering what is EU Blue Card Visa. So European Union has introduced a special visa because currently in Europe a lot of job shortage are there in the market, and to overcome this job shortage they have introduced this special visa for the companies who are not able to find the suitable candidates in European Union, and they can search for the candidates outside EU. So for such skilled workers or such skilled professional expertise, they can come to Germany, they can come to any other European country and work in that country. So this is all about EU Blue Card Visa. So currently Germany is actually giving EU Blue Card Visa to the candidates and to the applicants who are particularly suitable for these shortage skills role. So I'll tell you what are the criteria basically. So first of all, I can tell you that in non-EU countries which candidates are actually eligible for it. So all people who are coming from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh or any other country which is non-European country are eligible to get this EU Blue Card Visa. So what are the criteria to fall under EU Blue Card Visa? Is number one, you should have a university degree, whether it's a bachelor degree, it's a master degree, and this degree must be approved by the German Education Center. So that is another website. I'll share the link and you can check it out there. Number two, you must have a Germany work contract. It can be full-time contract, unlimited, or it can be contractual role. Third, your gross average yearly salary should be at least 56,400 euro annually. So that should be the minimum criteria. So Germany has latest announced that for certain category, which is like including your engineering degree, computer science, IT, so some categories still can apply for the EU Blue Card Visa for less than 45,000 euro. So yeah, this is another thing which is quite new and which can help you to get EU Blue Card Visa. So this is the simplest three things which is required to get EU Blue Card Visa. So before we move ahead to the benefits of EU Blue Card Visa, I must tell you that the visa validity of EU Blue Card. So for unlimited job offer, if you're getting a job offer which has no limited date period, then you'll get 4 years of visa. And if you have a limited or contractual, so certainly they can change between the number of years, but most likely you will get a 2 years visa plus 3 months in case if your contract get ended, you get 3 months to find a new job. Now I'll move to benefits of EU Blue Card Visa. So the benefit with EU Blue Card Visa is you get the PR in the fastest possible way, which is less than 2 years. So yes, you heard me correct. It is in 21 months you can get your permanent residency card. But there are certain conditions which you have to fill. Number one, you still having a blue card visa. That is for sure if you are working in a company and you're actually following all the criteria which I've mentioned below. So that is something which is requisite. Number two is you must having a B1 certificate. So that is the most important. If you want the permanent residency in less than 2 years, then you should be having a B1 certificate language. In case if you're not able to clear your B1 or if you're not able to prepare for B1, then still you can get the permanent residency permit in 33 months. So again, that is really good because most of the European countries currently are offering the permanent residency in 5 years. So like in 2 years the fastest way, but if you're not able to clear like B1 and you're able to clear A1, then you'll get in 33 months, which is again less than 3 years. So yes, this is the biggest advantage of getting the EU Blue Card Visa. Just to tell you, this EU Blue Card Visa is associated with your current company. So the company which has given you the contract is currently linked with your EU Blue Card Visa. So in case if you are planning to change your job before getting the permanent residence permit, you can still hold the EU Blue Card Visa with the different company which you are joining. You just need to follow some process and that is done. Your Blue Card Visa will transfer to the next company. So this is all about how to get the fastest way to get the permanent residency in Germany. So guys, if you like our video, please do subscribe, like, comment and share with friends and family, because this will really help us and motivate us to create some more informational video for you. And this is the authentic and the first hand information which I can keep on sharing with you, and that will definitely help you and ease out your move to Germany. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video and see you in my next video. Bye.